ready for Grand Prix 2024? Then I need you to get up out of your seats right now. You know what time it is. We just keep on closing, baby.
We move in, they freak out. Bounce up, so get down. Stack up, LPT is in the mix now. We win and they pow. They mad, we on now. Pack up, LPT is in the mix now. We closing. What? Closing. Come on. Closing. Yeah. Closing. Now I know y'all be loving this right here. It's LPT, we're taking over this year. If you're selling homes, throw your hands in the air and wiggle around like you just don't care. We got RP and he's steering the wheel. We're the fastest growing brokerage in the world, it's clear. When it come to getting money, we jumpstart careers and put the best tools and training in your atmosphere. They stay hating on us cause they scared. They stay hating on us cause they scared. They stay hating on us cause they scared. Bow down to the hybrid shit. Hands up, so get down. Stack up, LPT is in the mix now. We win and they pow. They mad, we on now. Pack up, LPT is in the mix now. We closing. What? Closing. Come on. Closing. Yeah. Closing.
Wanna get 30? Gotta dance with the birdie. When the feathers get ruffled, you know it's time to worry. Here's a scoop now, coming from my troop now. LPT's numbers kinda running through the roof now. And if you're sleeping on the sideline, guy, it's time to wake up. Cause the industry's about to have a little shake up. We got them shivering, shaking in their shoes and their socks. The only answer they came up with, trying to copy our box. And if they're thinking what we've done up to now is enough, just hang on tight. This rocket ship is just taking off. It's not a me vision, it's more a we vision. And it all started back then with our peace vision. And that's the mission. Our agents becoming the mountain. That's how we grew in 2 years. 10,000 agents and counting. Now you better buckle up, cause it'll be a rough ride. When all said and done, you need marketing tough guy.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
We move in and freak out. Hands up, so get down. Stack up, LPT is in the mix now. We win and they pow. They mad, we on now. Pack up, LPT is in the mix now. We closing. What? Closing. Come on. Closing. Yeah. Closing. Let me get this thing started. Rest in peace to the ones who departed. While the mother Russian model stay the course, we uncharted. They ain't never seen nothing like this before. It's a blessing to be surrounded by this level of talent. Yeah, we the best. If they pushing, we pushing. Flow to the pedal, it's nothing to downshift on the competition till they swallowing dust. And I like to welcome y'all to the LPT Grand Prix 24. Now follow my lead as we keep down the damn door. We move in, they freak out. Bounce up, so get down. Stack up, LPT is in the mix now. We win and they pow. They mad, we on now. Pack up, LPT is in the mix now. We closing. Closing. Come on. Closing. Yeah. Closing. Are you ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the reason we are all here. The man who took the power away from the brokerages and gave it back to you, the agents. Your founder and CEO, Mr. Robert Palmer.
y'all. We do a little different here at LKT.